Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add a verified badge on Telegram Premium. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Verified badges and status icons are only available for Telegram Premium users. I personally do not have Premium right now, so the option may not appear on my screen. However, if you have Telegram Premium, you will see this option available in your account. Now tap on the three lines menu at the top and go to Settings. Scroll down and make sure Telegram Premium is active on your account. Once confirmed, go back to the main screen and tap on the three lines menu again. From here, look for the option to change your status or select an existing badge. Tap on Change Status. In the search bar, type Check or Verified. You will see blue check verified badge options. Select the badge you like and it will be applied to your profile. This badge will appear in chats and groups you participate in. So that's basically how you can add a verified badge on Telegram Premium. That's it for this video. Thanks,